dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. We are jumping straight into this using our James Morphe palette. We're going to grab this orange color and put it right above our crease.
Play that beat again.
Grabbing my Juvia's Zulu palette, I am going in with this darker orange. And I'm applying that right on top of that lighter orange. Using a clean fluffy brush, I am just going in and blending out those harsh lines.
But the things you do, and they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do.
Now taking this yellow from the James Morphe palette, I am just adding that yellow right above that orange.
Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn.
And of course I have to go back in and make sure I blend these colors out.
Doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good.
So now I'm going to take this red and apply it right to the outer corner and in the crease.
And she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me, but she don't know all the things that we've been through. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I get.
And using that brush that I applied the orange with, I'm just blending that out.
They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do.
So I want more of a burnt color, so I am taking this brown and putting that right on top of that red.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do.
And you also have to blend out this color, so I'm just going to be pretty much rotating back and forth with this brush. So for my middle cut crease, I'm using the NYX Gotcha Covered in the color Golden, and I'm just packing that right into the middle. I look up so I will know exactly where to put that product.
Bitches be capping, they don't give a fuck. You cannot trust them, let alone love them. Minute she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting, I finally pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over.
With a eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to pack this light pink right on top of that concealer. And so I'm packing the color on as well as blending it out at the same time.
Baby, I'm on my way.
And now I'm going back in with the brush I applied the red and that brown color to, and just blending that out. Using my e.l.f. liquid liner, I am going to create a wing.
They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They will never ride like I do.
So now I'm taking this baby wipe that I used during the entire process and just cleaning my face. And then I am going to be adding my moisturizer. I'm using the Pond's moisturizer and just moisturizing my face. And then I will be adding my Tarte face primer. For foundation, I am using my Milani Concealing Perfect in the color Tan, followed by my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the color Toffee.
No.
To highlight, I'm using my NYX Gotcha Covered concealer in the color Golden, and I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender.
Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end?
For contour, I'm using the Black Radiance Contour Palette, and I'm taking that contour color.
The things you do, and they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the world, still hold you down.
And I'm just blending that upward.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you. And they will never.
to set my highlight, I am using my Revolution baking powder in the color Banana, followed by this artificial sneeze, y'all. I'm acting, don't believe me. I am using my Black Radiance contour palette. This is in the powder form, and I'm just warming up that contour because I feel like I lost a little bit of it.
She see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you. They don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care like I do.
And whatever you do, girl, do not forget your nose.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn.
And then I just blend out my contour and wipe away that setting powder.
How many times will it take for you to realize that I'm your right? They just want my spot, but ain't gon' treat you right.
Now I want my contour a little bit darker, so I'm just going in with my fan brush and just darkening that up just a little bit.
You cannot trust them, let alone love them. And she'll love you, then I give a fuck. And I'll be the one that you hitting up. You calling and texting up, I ain't pick up. You missing my loving and craving my touch. You want it, you need it, you can't get enough. You tell me come over, then I just hang up. Hey.
So now to finish my eyes, I'm just going in with all of the colors that I used before. I'm going in with that yellow, followed by that orange right underneath my lash line.
I'm on my way. Won't love you, won't touch you.
For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise.
No.
And now to pop on some lashes, and I'm just going to take my liquid liner and go over that lash line to help conceal that.
They can't put it down like I do. They don't ever care.
And to hide my real lashes in these falsies, I'm just reapplying that mascara.
Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever.
For a blush, I'm using the Milani palette, this dark rose type of color, just putting that on the apples of my cheeks. For a highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome in the color Molten Gold. So for lips, I'm just lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner.
Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do, and they can tell you anything you wanna hear.
And I'm just going to fill my lips in with my NYX Slip Tease in the color Modern Soul.
They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you.
Now to make this a little more matte, I'm just going over that with my setting powder.
You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything.
And now to set this with my setting spray, and here's my finished look.
Everything you feel with me, but she don't know all the things that we've been through. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in the contacts that I am wearing, check the description box for all of the information. I do have a discount code, and make sure you are following me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed, and make sure you check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you in my next one.
Give a damn about you, and they will never